you need to give an excessive voltage. Okay, I mean you need to create an excessive potential difference to minimize that depletion region so that current can flow. And whenever you are giving an excessive potential difference, what is going on? An excessive current will flow because V is equal to IR. So V is basically proportional to I. So if you are giving excessive potential difference, you will see that excessive current is flowing. So under that condition, a PN junction dial will destroy. Okay, but a Zener diode that will not destroy. Okay, why? Because it is a heavily doped to reduce the reverse breakdown voltage. Doping is very high over here. Okay, and due to that, what is going on? That the depletion layer is very thin. Okay, and that's why maybe you are giving very small voltage, but you will get an excessive amount of current. Okay. So the number one point is that a Zener diode always operate in reverse biasing condition. Okay, not in forward bias condition. And what is going on? Basically, a Zener diode is heavily doped. Okay, to reduce the breakdown voltage. Just a second. Just a second. হয়ে গেছে তাহলে আমি কি
হ্যাঁ, 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 হয়ে গেছে।
কন্টিনিউ করবো?
ইয়া,
আচ্ছা
ইয়েস, ইয়েস।
আচ্ছা okay. So okay. So where was I? Yes, Zener diode. So it is number two. It is basically heavily doped to reduce the reduce the reverse breakdown voltage, and due to this, the depletion region is very thin. Okay, and for that, what is going on? Even if you are giving very small, you are changing the voltage. I mean, maybe you are changing voltage very less. Okay, so you will get that the current is changing very high with respect to the voltage. So this is a special type of diode that is called Zener diode. Okay. Now a Zener diode will operate in two conditions. It is basically is having there are two conditions for a Zener diode under which it will operate. But here your objective is to see the reverse bias condition, forward bias condition, and line regulator condition. These are the three conditions under which your Zener diode you will see the I mean you will do the experiment. Okay, it will the forward bias condition, reverse bias condition, and line regulator condition. Now, what is going on in forward bias condition? You may ask that what is uh, sorry, forward bias and reverse bias we have discussed. Yes. Next we will discuss what is avalanche breakdown. When avalanche breakdown is going on, when both P and N type of region of a diode, they are lightly doped, then what is going on? The depletion region is very wide. Okay. If they are lightly doped, the depletion region is very wide. And you have to, at that time, you have to apply very high electric field, okay, at the junction point so that the current can flow. And this condition is known as avalanche breakdown, okay. So what is going on in avalanche breakdown condition? P and N type of um, terminals of a PN junction diode or of a Zener diode, they are very high, lightly doped, not highly doped. If they are highly doped, then we will term that as Zener breakdown. That is different cause. That is different case, and they are basically lightly doped. Okay. So whenever they are lightly doped, what is going on? The depletion region is very wide, and you have to apply very high electric field, okay, or very high voltage, so that current can flow through that. Okay, and due to this, a large number of charge carriers are uh, involving over here, and this is known as avalanche breakdown. And in Zener breakdown, what is going on? Both P and inside of the diode, they are very heavily dosed, and this results a very and this result a very thin, I mean the thin depletion region between the P and N type of materials. And if you are applying if you are increasing very less amount of voltage, you will get a large number of current is flowing, and this is known as Zener breakdown. Okay, so these are the two types of breakdown. One is avalanche breakdown, another one is Zener breakdown. Now tell me if you have any doubt. You can ask if you have any doubt. Tell me if you have any doubt.
No
Any
doubts,
doubt
ma'am.
from anyone? So how much you have studied in your theory? This Zener diode. Is this
Ma'am,
part
are you
done?
presenting something?
No, no, I'm not presenting anything.
Oh, okay.
I'm just discussing. So how much you have studied in your Zener diode part?
Till on-state and off-state condition of Zener diode, ma'am.
Yes, that is reverse bias and forward bias condition. Apart from that, anything else? Okay.
Zener diode as a
Next,
voltage regulator completed, ma'am.
Zener diode as a voltage regulator completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so anyone, what is Zener diode as a voltage regulator? Let me just hear me out. What is your what is your opinion? And then I'll tell you.
Ma'am, actually, Zener diode regulates the irregular voltage.
Hmm. Very good.
Irregular voltage means input AC voltage. That potential difference across Zener diode is same as potential difference across RL,
Okay.
load resistance, where we get output, ma'am, across the load
Right.
resistance.
Yes, from the load resistance you are getting the output.
Yeah, that will be constant without
Hmm.
any ripple.
Yes, that will be constant without any ripple. Now, why? Any idea why?
Because when we use Zener diode with a constant voltage, ma'am, with a fixed voltage.
Yes, actually, yes, because what is going on in Zener diode, as I have told you, maybe you are changing the voltage very minorly, okay, maybe some in some millivolt, okay, and you will get a high. The current is changing very widely. Have you ever just a second. Let me just represent you one. Um, just a second, wait. So this is the actual diagram. Okay, the VI characteristics of a genotype. See this one. Is it visible? Is it visible? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay, so it is visible. See, it will work in reverse bias condition. This is the reverse bias condition. This is the forward bias. Okay, it will be minus I. Okay, here it is not mentioned. It is positive value of current. This is the negative value of current. So this will be minus I. So you can see this point actually known as Zener breakdown region. Okay, so you are changing the voltage. Okay, you are changing the voltage, and at this condition, after this, maybe the more you are changing the voltage, the current will fall in this way. Okay, that's why. we can say that it will operate under normal voltage, under constant voltage condition. That's why in the in the RL side, in the load resistance side, you will get the current. Okay. So this is the PI characteristics of Zener diode. Okay. So, Bonsa, are you
Yeah. Yes, yes.
okay? Someone is asking something. Just in call message. Let me just check.
Yeah, Subham, you are correct. Actually, it is Subham. Uh, you are asking me a question that can you replace the Zener diode by anything else? Yes, you can of course use a voltage source with minimum internal resistance or nearly equal to zero internal resistance. So these types of voltage source are available in our basic electrical laboratory. We have used these types of voltage source device, hardware device are available in our basic electrical engineering laboratory. If you come to the college, then you can call me and you can see this the voltage source which we are using for the hardware experiment. So Zener diode can be replaced by the voltage source with zero internal resistance. Uh, okay, and we actually use Zener diode because in low voltage current flowing through it is high. Yeah, you are correct, but remember one thing: in case of PN junction diode, mm, sir, that voltage source will be DC or else DC voltage source. DC voltage source. Manvarma, those are DC voltage source. Okay, and Subham, Zener diode actually yes, low voltage it will show high value of current. It will give high value of current in forward bias condition. Whether in case of PN junction diode we required more voltage to break its to conduct, okay, for normal PN junction diode. Okay, normal PN junction diode কি হয়, comparatively আমাদের বেশি ভোল্টেজ দরকার পড়ে কারেন্ট কন্ডাক্ট করার জন্য। ওকে, বাট জেনার ডায়োডে হাইলি ডোপিং থাকে, ডিপ্লেশন রিজিয়নটা কম থাকে, সেজন্য খুব লো ভোল্টেজে ফর very low voltage it can conduct current. Shubham, is it clear? I think it is clear. So you should have a clear concept about anything or any element of electrical engineering. বুঝতে পেরেছো শুভম কি বললাম? ওকে, আচ্ছা প্রীতি ম্যাডাম, you can continue or is it over from your side?
Yes, from my side it is over.
Okay, okay students,
We
so
can go to the experiment. Yes.
okay, so I can directly go to the experiment, right? Yeah,
Yes.
okay. Yeah, so at first I will show you one manual. Uh, then I will show you the simulation part. Okay, using multisim. Rheostat, rheostat also used to regulate the rheostat also used to regulate the current. Then why only Zener diode? Yeah, you can all use Zener rheostat also. Rheostat, your spelling is wrong. Not rheostat. It is rheostat. 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 Yes. Yeah, see, actually for electrical machines or very big electrical machines, we can use these types of rheostat because rheostat have high current rating, high current rating. Okay, and it can tolerate high amount of current because the element used or the nichrome wire used to made a rheostat, those wires have high value of current rating. Okay, suppose one rheostat is designed for 2 ampere, another rheostat is designed for 5 ampere, another third rheostat is designed for. So there are different types of rheostat. You can see in our laboratory there are different types of rheostat. Okay, so rheostat can be used for high value of current rating, but this is the difference between Zener diode. But Zener diode cannot use for very high value of current rating, right? It is within the range of like milliampere. You can see from the graph. I will show you the graph. You can study or you can observe from the graph that it will show the milliampere current range curve or graph. Milliampere range maximum 1 ampere or like that. Okay, so it depends on the construction of generator, but rheostat can be used more than 2 ampere, 5 ampere, 10 ampere, 20 ampere, 50 ampere. That is dangerous value of current. Okay. Shubham, Shubhamer question is good. The question of Shubham Roy is good. Actually,
The
আমি যখন
question is
multi
really good.
मन जब हम दिखाएंगे ना जो जेनरेटर यूज करेंगे हम मल्टी सिम में, वो दिखाएंगे उसका ब्रेक डाउन वोल्टेज कितना है, वी जेड आई जेड कितना है, तब शुभम का और भी क्लियर हो जाएगा कि कितना एक पर्टिकुलर जेनर डायोड कितना अमाउंट ऑफ करंट टॉलरेट कर सकता है। मैं दिखाऊंगा अभी कुछ देर बाद ही, जब मल्टीसिम में कराऊंगा तब दिखाऊंगा पर्टिकुलर एक जेनर डायोड का VZ जेनर वोल्टेज जो होता है और IZ के कितना वैल्यू होता है, वो मैं डिटेल्स डाटा डाटा दिखाऊंगा। ठीक है, आज दिखाऊंगा। Okay, so all of you just take 2 or 3 minutes break, then 3 minutes or 4 minutes break. As of then, till then, I am starting the multisim and uh, just opening the laboratory manual. You just take 2 or 4 minutes break. Okay. So is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay. So today our experiment is Today our experiment is study of Zener diode as voltage regulator. Okay, you can see from the title of the experiment, it is the experiment number 2, and your lab code is PCC392. This is the laboratory analog electronics lab paper code. Okay, PCC392. So title of the experiment is Zener diode or study of Zener diode as voltage regulator. Okay, and what are the objectives for this experiment? You have to study three characteristics, particularly for Zener diode. One is you have to operate the Zener diode in forward bias condition. You have to operate the Zener diode in reverse biased condition, and you can use the Zener diode as line regulator and load regulators. Okay, actually we are going to perform only line regulator. We will not perform the load regulator. What is the difference between line regulator and load regulator? That I will discuss one by one. Okay, what is the difference between line and load regulator? How can you use a Zener diode as a line regulator and load regulator? Okay, so at first see the connection for forward bias condition, forward bias Zener diode. Okay, so all of you know that for PN junction diode or any other diode, forward bias means what? What do you mean by forward bias condition?
Positive terminal of the battery connected to the P side of the semiconductor
Yes,
and
and
negative to the N side.
negative with the n side. Yes. So here you can see practically you can see from this circuit that we are using a voltage source. See, this circuit is designed in PSpice actually, but this time I am using the multisim. So don't worry, I will show you using the multisim software. So here we are using one voltage source, 30-volt source, positive side, and this bottom side is negative side. And as a load, you can use, this is not actually load. This resistance is used to reduce the high amount of current flowing through this Zener diode, so that uh, মানে, to reduce the very high amount of current. Okay, and this side of the Zener diode is anode, and this side is cathode. This side is cathode and this side is anode. So you can uh, see from this diagram that here the Zener diode is connected in forward bias condition. So we can see one type of curve that is like this. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, whenever we are going to study the Zener diode as forward bias condition, so at that time you can see these types of increasing type of uh, curve. Okay, now Zener diode in reverse bias condition, just simply just rotate this Zener diode using Control R button, Control plus R. Okay, you just select the Zener diode. Whenever you are going to design using multisim, you just click on this Zener diode and press Control R to rotate the Zener diode. Then the connection is like this. Okay, or you can rotate the voltage source also. If you rotate the voltage source, or if you change the polarity of voltage source, negative side is positive side and positive side is negative side, like this. You can see from this circuit diagram that negative side of the voltage source is connected with the anode and positive side is connected with the cathode. That means reverse bias condition. In this condition, the Zener diode is in reverse biased. Okay, so in this time, the Zener diode will show one response characteristics that will look like the second graph. I am showing you this one, reverse bias Zener diode. Okay, so now line regulator. Zener diode as line regulator. So this circuit diagram is for Zener diode as line regulator. Line regulator means if you change the input voltage, the output voltage across the load or across the Zener diode will not change. That means what? It will act as a regulator. Regulator means what? It will give a constant voltage. Okay, constant output voltage. Understood? It, at any amount of input voltage, it will give you the constant amount of voltage. Understood? So that's why this is the definition of regulator. Okay, so whenever we will change this voltage 30 volt from 0 to 30 volt, this Zener diode will act as a line regulator. Okay, it will give the fixed amount of voltage across this load resistance connected here. Okay, and what is load regulator? Load regulator means at that time you have to change the load resistance. You have to fix this voltage source at a certain amount of voltage, and the condition should be you have to change the load resistance step by step. For line regulator, you have to change the voltage source value or voltage value step by step, but in case of load regulator, you have to change the load resistance step by step. Understood? What is the difference between line and load? All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am getting the response from Manbharma and Priyangshu only.
Yes, sir.
All of you understood what is the difference between load regulator and line regulator?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any confusion? Okay. So here I am showing you some brief theory. Ma'am has already taught you, but this brief theory is very important to understand the practical concept of today's experiment. Okay. See, ideal PN junction diode doesn't conduct in reverse bias condition. A Zener diode conducts excellently even in reverse bias condition. These diodes operates at a precise value of voltage called breakdown voltage. A Zener diode, when forward biased, behaves as normal ordinary PN junction diode. A Zener diode in reverse biased condition either undergo avalanche breakdown or Zener breakdown. Okay. This total manual is designed by your senior. Okay, double E third year now they are not. Now you have to know that avalanche. What is avalanche breakdown or Zener breakdown? Avalanche breakdown is like this. What is the definition of avalanche breakdown? Both P side and N side of the diode are lightly doped for PN junction diode. For normal PN junction diode, you can see the P side and N side of the diodes are lightly doped. Okay, depletion region high or widens. So the application of a very large electric field at the junction may rupture the covalent bonding between the electrons. That means you have to apply large value of voltage or large value of input voltage, or here it is called electric field. Okay, you can say input voltage to rupture or to break the covalent bonding between the electrons in depletion region. Such rupture leads to the generation of large numbers of charge carriers resulting in avalanche breakdown or avalanche multiplication. Understood? Simple concept. But in case of Zener diode, the p side and n side, or the p side and n side of a Zener diodes are heavily doped. That's why the depletion region is very much low or reduced at the junction. Application of, or by applying very small amount of voltage, you can rupture the covalent bond and generate large numbers of charge carriers. শুভম রয় জিজ্ঞেস করছিলে যেটা, you can apply very low amount of or small voltage at the junction to rupture the covalent bonding, and you can generate large number of charge carriers. That's why suddenly current will increase, okay, in case of Zener breakdown or Zener diode. Understood? So this is called the Zener mechanism or Zener breakdown. Okay, now line regulation. Okay, it is defined as the change in the regulated voltage with respect to variation in line voltage. In this input voltage, in this condition, input voltage varies but load remains constant. দেখো, see, আমি যেটা বলছিলাম একটু আগে, I have already told you, input voltage, you can vary the input voltage or supply voltage, but load resistance remain constant. Hence the load current remains constant. As the input voltage increases, input current varies accordingly. Therefore Zener current will increase. The increase in Zener current will have constant breakdown voltage, and Zener breakdown voltage is equal to the V output. I will provide these types of manual to all of you. Just complete all the experiment. After completing all the experiment, I will provide these types of manual. Okay. So this is called the line regulation. Understood? Procedure is written here for PSpice software, not for Multisim. Conclusion is there, and data sheet is like this: apparatus required, okay, and graphs. Okay. So all of you understood this thing? Any problem, any confusion or any question? Shubham, Subhradeep,
No, sir.
শুনতে পাচ্ছি না তোমার আওয়াজ।
No, sir. Clear, sir.
ওকে, Bimbayon,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What type of regulator is used in our fan regulator? Okay, small rheostat or potentiometer, you can call it as potentiometer. You can see in Chandni or any electronics shop. You just say them that give me some 1K amount of resistance for the fan regulator. Okay, Sumam. It is a one type of variable resistance or rheostat. So now I am presenting the multisim window. Can you see this window? Multisim window?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here today we are going to design three circuits for Zener diode. One is for reverse bias, another is for forward bias, and the third one is for line regulator. Okay, Zener diode as line regulator. Okay. So at first I'm going to show you the designed circuit. I have already simulated three circuits. Okay. Very simple circuit. These all are very simple circuit. So this one is Zener diode in forward bias condition. Okay. See, just using simple 12 volt source, 1K resistance, and the Zener diode anode is connected with the positive side of the supply or voltage supply or battery, and the cathode side is connected with the negative of the battery, and ground is must, ground is mandatory. Okay, so we have to connect the ground. So here you can see the graphs. Okay, if I click, sorry, at first I will like to discuss about the Zener diode part. See, you can take the Zener diode from place option and then component option, and you just go to Zener diode and diode, then Zener diode, Zener. So I have selected which one? 1N4732A. 1N4732A. See, 1N4732, where is it? This one I have selected. Okay, so if I click on this detailed report, can you see this? If I click on this detailed report, this types of window will appear, where if I maximize this window,
Sir, I'm leaving, okay?
okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
thank you, students.
So you can see from this Zener diode, the VZ is the breakdown, Zener breakdown voltage should be 4.70 volt. Okay, 4.70 volt. Understood?
So can you explain again how to see this?
Okay. You just go to the simulate of sorry, place option, then component, then these types of window will appear, and then you just select the group as diode group, because this Zener diode also is a diode. Then here you can see Zener, this one. Click on Zener, then you can see different types of Zener diode are available here. Okay, you can select any one. You can select one in 4731 or 32 or 33 like this. So I have selected this one, and if you click on this detailed report, then it will show you the detailed report. See, understood? Detailed report
Yes, sir.
is manufacturer name, everything is given here. Indian Standard Code, okay, NC code. This is actually used for industrial purpose. They don't know the name actually, Zener diode, or they are use these types of code, IEC 60617 like this. Okay. Symbol IEC 60616. Okay.
Hello,
So I
sir.
have used this. Yes. Yes.
Sir, why are you using that specific diode? For no reason.
No, you can use another diode. If you want to use another diode, then you can also use another diode. If I use this diode,
One and another jar diode power to use করতে পারি।
হ্যাঁ 1n, yes yes yes, এটাও ইউজ করতে পারো 1n4735, আমি আগের বার ইউজ করেছিলাম, এটা ডিটেল রিপোর্ট এখানে পেয়ে যাবে। এই যে ভিজেডটা আলাদা হবে, ভিজেড উইল বি ডিফারেন্ট। এই যে হিয়ার ইউ ক্যান সি VZ, yes, VZ is 6.2 volt maximum, VZ max. These are different. Okay, voltage regulated diode. See, voltage regulated diode. Understood? এই দেখো, দেখতে পাচ্ছ ভেরি স্মল লেটারে লেখা আছে ভোল্টেজ রেগুলেটেড ডায়োড। A resistance and voltage source you can take from the component, then source, then power source, DC power for this one, voltage source, and resistance you can get from the resistance from basic group, basic, okay, basic then resistor, okay, 1k. And ground, you can also bring the ground from source. Again, source is here, source, then power source, then ground. Okay, so these four elements are available, required: voltage source, ground, resistance, and any one Zener diode. This is forward bias. Like reverse bias, this one, just এইটাকে রোটেট করেছে। এই যে I have just rotated this, just click on this diode, just click on this diode, and you can right click and rotate 90° clockwise, 90° anti-clockwise, flip horizontally, flip vertically, anything you can do. But if you press Ctrl R after selecting, you just press Ctrl R to rotate. Okay, otherwise you can select it and right click on it, and you can see here from the mouse cursor that rotate 90° clockwise. Understood? Can you draw this circuit? Forward bias condition.
স্যার পাওয়ার সোর্সটা
Yes,
দেখাতে
sir.
পারেন?
How to draw the wire?
How to draw the wire?
স্যার পাওয়ার সোর্সটা
বলছি, পাওয়ার সোর্সটা বলে দিচ্ছি। সো at first go to place, component, then this source family, then power source family, then DC power. Got it? Got my point? Okay. How to wire? How to connect the wire? See, if I delete this wire and just deleting everything, you can place your mouse cursor properly in these terminals and just left click once to start your connection, and move your mouse and bring it to the another terminal of resistance and terminate it by again left clicking. Otherwise you can select wire from here, symbol is already available actually, just wait, place here, you can see, go to place and click on wire and see, you can see, like, see, multisim is, in multisim you can directly point your mouse cursor properly in the terminal and left click once to start your connection and bring here, reach here and terminate it by left clicking. Bas hoye gelo, starting and terminating. Got it? Any problem?
টেক্সট বক্সটা কোথায় একটু দেখিয়ে দিন না।
Text box, yes, very good question. Text box is here. Go to place. Place is very important. This place menu is very important. Place, then text. Click on text and this mouse will show like I, capital I. Just click anywhere in this window, one box will create, small box. You can write anything. Okay, here. Then you can change the color from here. Okay. Understood? If you want to delete it, just select it and delete it.
Okay, sir.
Go to place, text. Okay. Okay. Just try to understand one circuit. You can do another circuit very easily. All of you done this circuit? Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, remember one thing very carefully. In these types of circuit, we are not going to measure any value. We are going to observe a data curve, mane graph. So we need to do something different in these types of experiment here. Okay, so I am showing you very slowly. Go to simulate option, then analysis and simulation. এই দেখো একটা কিসে সেটিং এর ইয়ে দিচ্ছে, সাইন দিচ্ছে, অ্যানালাইসিস এন্ড সিমুলেশন, এটাতে ক্লিক করবে। ওকে, ক্লিক করার পর এই ধরনের একটা উইন্ডো আসবে, দেখতে পাচ্ছ? সার্কিটটা দেখে নাও ভালো করে, তারপর আমি ওয়ান বাই ওয়ান বলছি। This is circuit, and after clicking on this simulate, then analysis and simulation, these types of window will appear. Okay. See, in this window, you have to select DC sweep, not transient, not AC sweep, not DC operating, not interactive, DC sweep. Why DC sweep? Because we are going to design, or we are going to see the waveform for a DC circuit or DC response characteristics, because we have used the DC voltage. Okay, so DC sweep means characteristics. Okay, characteristics curve. So DC sweep, then see, by default the source in analysis parameters, you have to do some setting. In this source, by default it is taking V1, so this is V1. Okay, what will be the start value in the curve? ग्राफे कत वैल्यू থেকে कौन सा वैल्यू से स्टार्ट होगा? जब ग्राफ आएगा तब 0 वैल्यू से स्टार्ट होगा ओरिजिन, और मैक्सिमम मैं स्टॉप कर रहा हूँ 2 वोल्ट में, 0 वोल्ट से स्टार्ट होगा 2 वोल्ट तक ले रहा हूँ, क्योंकि ये देखो ये समझना है, क्योंकि ये फॉरवर्ड बायस में है ना, तो बहुत ही कम वोल्टेज में ये कंडक्ट करना स्टार्ट कर देगा। तो मैं ज्यादा यहाँ पर मैं 10 दे सकता हूँ, लेकिन रिवर्स बायस में 10 यूज करूंगा। ठीक है, अभी 2 यूज करने से काफी है। ठीक है, और जो ग्राफ आएगा उसका जो स्केलिंग होगा, मतलब कितना पॉइंट के बाद वो इंक्रीमेंट होगा, वो मैं लिया हूँ 0.1 स्केलिंग वोल्टेज। ओके, if there are 2 voltage, so suppose there are another voltage source is present, just imagine in this simulation, in this circuit another one voltage source is present. So in that case you have to in this particular experiment. See, I have already saved all this data before yesterday. So here I have selected ID1, that means the current across the diode. We are going to see the current across the diode. So you just select the, how you can select this ID1? You just click here and add. See, if I click on I have clicked on IR1 and clicking on add, this IR1 is coming here. If I clicked on IV1 and clicking on add, then this now that means multisim will show this curve, these three curve, but we need only one curve here, so I can delete these things. How can delete, remove, just select and remove. So you can select any one, add, you can select any other one, add, you can select anything, add, select any response, add, you can select this one, remove, so select, remove, select, remove, select, remove. So we need, as you are going to design new, so it will show, this id1 will show in this left hand side, in this side. So you just click on that id1 and you have to click on add, then save. Okay, after saving, just click on run option, here available run option, or go to simulate and run. These types of curve will come. Can you see the graph, students? Students, hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the graph?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you simulate the circuit, I'm going to simulate and run, these types of graph will appear. Okay. If you don't, if you change the background black color, just click this black background, white background. Here, this one. Okay. If you want to see the grid means you just show grid, click on show grid here. These types of দেখাবে, it will show like this, grid view. This is called grid view. If you want black background, then just click here, it will show. One thing note here, Subham or any man, the see here breakdown is appearing where, at 0.4 volt. Okay, the current is increasing. Okay, so this is the forward breakdown voltage, 0.4, less than 0.4 volt, forward breakdown voltage. This point is forward breakdown voltage. Okay, or VBZ, forward breakdown voltage.
স্যার
হুম,
ডায়োডটা স্যার কত নিয়েছিলেন স্যার?
ডায়োডটা নিয়েছিলাম, ডায়োডের স্পেসিফিকেশন হচ্ছে,
রান করতে গেলাম উইন্ডোটা পুরো মানে সরে গেল, আবার শুরু থেকে বানাতে।
ওটা ঠিকঠাক ম্যানেজ করো, 1N4732A.
ঠিক আছে।
Okay, so go to simulate, run. Acha, you can see this curve in very smooth way using the Excel sheet. How you can convert this graph into Excel sheet? All of you know the Excel, Word file, Excel. Do you know Excel, Microsoft Excel?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can convert this data, export to Excel. See, in this graph window here, it is showing export to Excel. Whenever you click on this export to Excel, this types of window will appear. Just click on OK, then again OK. In the background, one one Excel file will automatically generate, that I have to present here. Just I'm presenting the Excel file, how it will come, or how it will show. Whenever you click on the export to Excel,
স্যার
this
স্যার একবার ডিসি সুইপের ওটা বলতে পারবেন?
হ্যাঁ বলবো, বলছি তাহলে বলে দিই ওটা। Okay, so can you see now? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you just go to simulate option, then analysis and simulation. Click on analysis and simulation, and in this window, in this sub window, you can see one here different types of simulation analysis types are available. So you just select DC sweep. Select DC sweep. Here it will show the DC sweep, and in analysis parameters, by default it will take your voltage source name V1. You just change the scaling, start value 0, stop value 2, and increment 0.1 volt. All are volt because it is voltage source. And what you need in output, you need output as ID1, or the current across diode. You need the current across diode. So as you are designing new, so in this left side this expression will come. You just select that expression like this and then add. Okay, then that expression will convert it into the right side. Okay, and then you can click run from in this option. এখানে দেখো run এর option আছে. If you directly click on run from here, it will also show the graph. If, see, I am clicking on the run option. See, it is showing the graph.
স্যার রান ক্লিক করলে মাল্টিসিমটাই বন্ধ হয়ে
হ্যাঁ
যাচ্ছে।
স্যার মাল্টিসিমটা বন্ধ হয়ে যায়।
কেন বাবা?
স্যার
দেখি
আমার ওই আরেক ছিল, তাই আবার আপনাকে জিজ্ঞেস করলাম।
দেখি প্রেজেন্ট করো কেন এই প্রবলেমটা হচ্ছে দেখি।
স্যার আমারও নট রেসপন্ডিং দেখাচ্ছিল এখন।
দেখি
না স্যার, ঠিক হয়েছে।
প্রেজেন্ট করো আর কি প্রবলেম হচ্ছে প্রেজেন্ট করো। ঠিক আছে, এটা তো ঠিকই আছে। এবার এটা ক্রস করো, এটা ইয়ে করো ও মাল্টিসিমটা। হ্যাঁ, এবার সিমুলেশনে যাও। সিমুলেটে আগে সেটিংটা দেখি, সেটিংটা অ্যানালাইসিস এন্ড সিমুলেশন। একটু জুম। ঠিক আছে, সেভ করেছো? আউটপুটে যাও, আউটপুটে ক্লিক করে দেখো অ্যানালাইসিস প্যারামিটারের পাশেই আউটপুট আছে উপরের দিকে। হ্যাঁ, এখানে ঠিক আছে, গুড। নিচে দেখো রান ক্লিক করা আছে না, নিচে রান দেখো, এখানে ক্লিক করো। আসছে? এই তো আসছে। তোমার এটা ল্যাপটপের কিছু প্রবলেম হচ্ছে। কজ দ্য প্রবলেম। আচ্ছা, এটাকে ক্লোজ করে ফ্রেশ করে করো তো, ক্লোজ করে দাও, হয়ে যাবে।
আবার
এটা মাল্টিসিমের কোনো প্রবলেম নয়।
উইন্ডোটাই উড়ে যাচ্ছে।
হয়েছে? কার প্রবলেম হচ্ছিল?
স্যার সেভ করতে গেলাম পুরো উইন্ডোটাই উড়ে গেল।
উড়ে যাচ্ছে। আচ্ছা,
স্যার সেম প্রবলেম দেখাচ্ছে এখনো।
ঠিক আছে, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, তুমি আরেকবার নিউলি ওপেন করে ডিজাইন করো ইজি সার্কিট। রান করো তো।
রান করতে গেলে
ওই, আচ্ছা, তো এই তো হচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, বারবার অফ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, তারপর আবার
দুবার করলাম স্যার, আবার বন্ধ হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
স্যার 3বার করলাম অফ হয়ে গেল,
মিনিমাইজ হয়ে
তারপরে
যাচ্ছে,
4 নম্বর বেলায় স্যার বেরিয়ে এসেছে।
হয়ে যাচ্ছে, ম্যাক্সিমাইজ
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ক্লোজ
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
হচ্ছে।
মিনিমাইজ
এটাই
যাচ্ছে,
ক্লোজ হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
উইন্ডোটাই ক্লোজ হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
ক্লোজ হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
But mine is perfect, sir.
এরকম 3-4 বার হবে, আর তারপর আবার ঠিক হয়ে যাবে।
এটা তো
স্যার এখন আর হচ্ছে না ক্লোজ, এখন আউটপুট এসেছে।
যখন, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, অ্যাকচুয়ালি মাল্টিসিমটা কি করবে, সকালে ল্যাপটপের না ওপেন করবে না, মাল্টিসিমটা একবার ডবল ক্লিক করে আইকনটা ডবল ক্লিক করে ওপেন করবে। ওপেন করে কিছুক্ষণ 5 সেকেন্ড রেখে দিয়ে এটা ক্লোজ করে দিয়ে মাল্টিসিপটা দেখাবে না, প্র্যাকটিস করো দেখাবে। ঠিক আছে, ওকে। So I'm presenting my window.
Sir, how to change it to Excel sheet?
Told you how to convert into Excel sheet. I've already converted into Excel sheet. Just wait. Easy. একটা শেখালে বাকিগুলো হ্যাঁ দেখাচ্ছি আমার ল্যাপটপ। Now is it visible, student?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you confirm me? Okay. So to convert into Excel sheet, you have to at first simulate. You will get this curve. Then in this graph window, you can see this icon. This icon is export to Excel. Just click on export to Excel. This window will appear. Just click on OK. In the background, it will automatically open a new Excel sheet and it will show some data that I have to present again. Just presenting. Okay. See, can you see this Excel sheet?
Yes, sir, it's coming.
Okay. So you can see from this Excel sheet that here X is trace. Here x-axis trace is current, y-axis is x is voltage value, sorry, x-axis is applied voltage, 0 point. See, remember these things, I had used the scaling as 0.1. মনে পড়ছে যখন সেটিং এ করলাম 0.1 0.2, that's why it is 0.1, that's why it is increasing like this, and it will show some value. You can select this column, right click on it, click on format cell, ফরম্যাট সেলে ক্লিক করার পর ফরম্যাট সেল ক্লিক করার পর ক্লিক অন নাম্বার, take decimal places up to 4. This will show the value. Okay, see, it is converted to value.
স্যার আরেকবার দেখাবেন ফরম্যাট?
অবশ্যই দেখাবো। Just select this B column, total selected. Just click on this B column, B, total selected, right click on it, format cells, click on this number, sorry, right click on it, format cells, click on this number and these decimal places, change these decimal places to 4 or 3 or 4 or 5, anything, then okay, it will show the value. না হলে আগে ই ফর্মে আসছিল 0.0 ই লাইক দিস, এটা ঠিক আছে, আন্ডারস্টুড? এইবার
স্যার আর একবার ব্যাস।
আচ্ছা, জাস্ট ক্লিক অন ইট, right click on these values, format cells, click on select number, sorry, format cells, select number and decimal places 4. This up arrow and down arrow, you can decrease and increase decimal places, then click on OK. It will convert it into digit value. Okay, not E or something like that, it will show digit value 0 1 2 3 5 4 6 7 8 9, like. Okay, now if you want to see the graph in this Excel, just select these 2 column using your mouse and go to insert, then go to scatter, then this scattered with smooth line. Got it? Excel এর কাজ, try to learn Excel properly. Okay, very simple. Okay, you can change the color. Got it?
স্যার ইনসার্টের পর কোন
আচ্ছা, ইনসার্টের পর এক সেকেন্ড ডিলিট করি এটাকে। ইনসার্টে যাও। তোমার কত ভার্সন এটা মাইক্রোসফট এক্সেল? 10 10 না আদার্স?
না স্যার
2010 or 2007? You just present your screen. Present your screen. It will be better. Not visible. Yes, Atanu, it is coming. Okay, now yeah, insert, then you have to go to চার্ট অপশন, দ্যাট ওই যে বার গ্রাফ গুলো আছে না, বার গ্রাফ গুলো তার নিচেরটা, যেটা আগে সিলেক্ট করেছিল তার নিচেরটা, রাইট সাইড। হ্যাঁ, ওটাতে ক্লিক করো তো। না 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 না, ওটাতে নেই। আচ্ছা, রাইট সাইডে দেখো কলাম বলে একটা আছে না, রাইট সাইডে ছেড়ে দাও ওটা, ওটা নয়, ওই সাইডে আরো রাইট সাইডে কলাম রাইট সাইডে, আরো রাইটে, হ্যাঁ, লেফট কলাম, ক্লিক অন কলাম। এখানে নেই, দাঁড়াও এক সেকেন্ড, ক্রস করো দেখছি। তার নিচেরটা, হ্যাঁ, তার যেটা একদম প্রথম সিলেক্ট করলে তার নিচেরটা, তার উপরে, ওহো মাউসটা একটা জায়গায়, হ্যাঁ তার উপরেরটা, হ্যাঁ ক্লিক করো। হ্যাঁ, এখান থেকে দেখো স্মুথ লাইন, দেখো কোনটা, যে কোনো একটার উপর একটু দেখতে হবে, বুঝলে, চলে আসবে। তোমার মনে হচ্ছে লেটেস্ট ভার্সন।
স্যার যেখানটা ক্লিক করেছে তার পাশের অপশনটা ক্লিক করলে চলে আসবে।
আচ্ছা, করো তাহলে।
স্যার গ্রাফটা ডিলিট করতে বলুন।
সিলেক্ট করো, ডিলিট কিটা প্রেস করো তোমার কিবোর্ডে ডিলিটটা প্রেস করো। হ্যাঁ, ইনসার্ট কোনটা?
স্যার তার পাশেরটা।
আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ, ঠিক। স্ক্যাটার, তারপরে স্মুথ আসবে। হ্যাঁ, ওইটা, দ্যাট ইজ কারেক্ট। ইয়েস, ওকে। So this is forward bias. Okay, now reverse bias, same procedure. Okay, just I am showing you the setting menu, কিভাবে
Sir.
সেট করতে হবে ভ্যালু। Yes, শুভ্রদীপ,
আমারটা একবার দেখবেন।
অবশ্যই প্রেজেন্ট করো। Today we are not going to complete the line regulator, just I will show you the reverse bias condition. আচ্ছা, এটা তো তুমি স্কেলিং ভ্যালুগুলো 1 থেকে স্টার্ট করেছো। হ্যাঁ, তুমি ভোল্টেজ ভ্যালুটা, সাপ্লাই ভোল্টেজটা 1 থেকে স্টার্ট করেছো, 1.1। ঠিক আছে, দ্যাটস ওয়াই তোমার গ্রাফটা এরকম আসছে। 0 থেকে যদি ওটা তুমি যেখানে মাল্টি সিমে যেখানে সেটিং করেছিলে সেখানে যদি ইনিশিয়াল ভ্যালুটা 0 নিতে, তাহলে এটা অরিজিন থেকে দেখাতো। হ্যাঁ, ওটা ক্রস করে সেটিং এ যাও। হ্যাঁ, ওখানে যাও, স্টার্ট ভ্যালুটা দেখো 0 করো, রান করো। হ্যাঁ, সেভ করে রান করো। এইবার এক্সপোর্ট টু এক্সেল করো। এটা এরকম প্রবলেম হওয়ার কথা নয়, যাই হোক, এটা কম্পিউটারে কিছু প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, স্টপ হবে না এইভাবে, কোনো অ্যান্টিভাইরাস বা কিছুর জন্য প্রবলেম হচ্ছে। এরকম প্রবলেম তো হয় না সচরাচর।
স্যার আমার
ওকে, ওইটা হ্যাঁ বলো প্রিয়াংশু।
স্যার স্যার আমার ভ্যালুগুলো সাইজিংটা একটু ছোট হয়ে গেছে, মানে 0 পর 0.5, তারপরে 1, 1.5 আর 2 এসেছে।
দেখি প্রেজেন্ট করো।
আচ্ছা স্যার। স্যার
ও ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে, নো প্রবলেম। তুমি
আচ্ছা স্যার,
স্কেলিংটা 0.5, কোনো প্রবলেম নেই।
ঠিক আছে স্যার।
ওকে, now stop your presentation. I will present the reverse bias condition. আচ্ছা অরিত্রিকার কে আছো জানো আমাদের? আমি কি কৃতিকা, তোমরা তো কিছু বলছো না, রেসপন্স করছো না। আকাশ দত্ত, অরিত্রিকা গাঙ্গুলি, ইজ ইট ওকে?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
কৃতিকা, কৃতিকা দত্ত, are you practicing now? Can you hear me, Kritika? Okay, okay. So now presenting the multisim window. Okay. Now can you see the Zener diode? Just rotate the Zener diode or change the polarity of voltage source. Anything you can do. Just change the polarity of diode. And here the setting will be little bit different. Analysis menu. You just bring this top value 10. Okay. And increment 0.5, as is it in this condition it is reverse bias, so we need little bit high voltage to break down the to reach the breakdown voltage. Okay, so that's why I am using 10 here. Any other reason to use the 10 volt? Any other reason, students? Here in reverse bias condition, I am using the stop value 10 volt. Why? If I use 3 volt, then what will happen?
স্যার জিনার ডায়োডের
হ্যাঁ,
breakdown rate 6
so you can take then the breakdown voltage. Okay. So that's why I'm 10 volt in reverse bias. Then again procedure, run, export to Excel, everything. Do it. Once you complete, inform me. All of you do this design.
স্যার ওটা স্টপ ভ্যালু 0 থেকে 10
0.5 দাও, 0.5 increment 0.5.
স্যার আউটপুটটা আগের মতোই তো?
আউটপুটটা আউটপুট is ID1, current across diode.
স্যার হয়ে গেছে।
হয়ে গেছে?
ইয়েস স্যার।
দেখো, start
স্যার হয়ে
your screen. present your screen.
হ্যাঁ স্যার প্লিজ। স্যার এটা মাল্টি সিমের
Yes, yes, yes. It is correct. It is it. Okay, yeah. ঠিক আছে. Okay, stop your presentation. Quickly, I am showing the uh, voltage line regulator circuit. All of you do the design for the line regulator. So, I think it is visible. Please confirm.
ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay. So here, the some elements are different here. Which one is different? See, every arrangement is okay. Here you have to add extra one resistance, 10 kilo ohm resistance. Okay, and here I am using two voltage probe. Voltage probe you can get from here. This icon is voltage probe. Okay, because no, this is a little bit tough actually. I have to discuss in details. So voltage regulator as line regulator I will discuss next day. Okay, this is little bit different. Setting menu is okay. Setting menu is same as reverse bias, and output we need here three output: current, voltage across current across diode, voltage across diode, and voltage across output voltage across resistance, load resistance R2. Okay, these three things we have to need here. We need here. So I have to demonstrate in details. So in the next class I will discuss this voltage regulator. Okay. So all of you give your attendance in the chat box, name underscore roll number, and if you have any problem, now you can discuss with me regarding the previous forward bias regulator and reverse bias regulator. Students, if you have any problems regarding the forward bias regulator and reverse bias regulator, you can ask me now. It's 3:42.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. If you don't have any problem, you can leave the meeting by giving your attendance.
Sir,
Hmm.
reverse bias এর ডিসি সুইচ